Hello everyone, this is Eric Zeno, the director of the Haddonfield Public Library, with another tech video for you. This one is about RBdigital, which will help you to read full-length magazines via your internet browser, and you can also do this on a mobile device. Now to get started, you'll start at our webpage at haddonfieldlibrary.org, and you'll drag the mouse over to the Books and Reading and click on eBooks and More. Once on the eBooks and More screen, you're going to just scroll down on the page till you see the RBdigital block and click on the button underneath that says Learn More. That'll open up this new tab in your browser that is the landing page for the RBdigital Magazine Value Collection. And on this screen, if you've never used it before, you're going to want to create a new account. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll click on Create New Account. And it's asking for me to enter my library barcode number, which I'm going to go ahead and do, and click the Next button. When you click the Next button, a screen appears that asks you to supply your name, your email address, and to create yourself a password. You'll have to confirm the email address and confirm the password, and that's just to ensure that you've typed it in correctly. Then when you're done with that, you'll click the button that says Create Account. Ooh, I did forget to tell you that you do want to click this drop-down button here where it says Library Resident to select the state of New Jersey, Haddonfield Public Library. Once you click the Create Account button, it'll take a few moments to process, and then you'll be presented with a Terms and Service Privacy Policy, and I'm going to agree to those Terms of Service. I have read it before, and click on the OK button. And now I'm ready to start borrowing magazines. The newsstand itself presents you with the cover of all the current issues, and you can search by genres. And so let's say you wanted to look at magazines about business and finance. And if there was an issue that you wanted to check out, let's say Kiplinger's, click on the cover, and there's a button that says Check Out. And it's taken a moment to process that. And it's ready to start reading in the browser. By the way, you can keep the issue for as long as you like. You can remove it when you're done with it. There's no limit to the number of magazines that you can check out and read, and there's no limit to the amount of time that you can check them out for. So I'm going to click the Start Reading button. And that opens up a reader in my browser. And so there's the cover once again, and I can use the navigation on the screen to flip through the magazine, and it's a digitized version of the actual issue itself. All the advertisements, all the color, and there's different things that we can do to enhance our experience. There's a magnifier slider down at the bottom of the screen. And additionally, so you see it's being presented to me 2 pages at a time. Well, I can click on this button here that's the letter T, and it'll just switch the view slightly for me so that I can look at it 1 page at a time. If I want to bookmark where I am in the magazine so that I get to the same place later on, I'll just click on the bookmark, and I can close the browser window where I'm reading this, and the next time I access the magazine, it'll bring me back to the page in the magazine that I was last at. One other interesting thing that we can do is if we click on the letter A, we're presented with a range of tools that allow us to increase the size of the font. And we can also do things like change the color of the background of the page to make it easier on our eyes when we read. And last but not least, in the reader, there is a table of contents button so we can navigate to a story that we specifically are interested in. So that's how you use the reader in the browser, and that's how you open up an account. We hope you enjoy it, and have fun reading.